Hello, in this video I will show you how to make dotted line in table in PowerPoint. So first you need to insert a table. Then what you have to do is go to the insert and click on the table. And here you need to insert the table 4 by 4, whatever your choice is. Drag it down to pull the under the headline. And after that you need to go to the table design on the upper menu bar, and in the layout you need to click on the style and click the solid line, and after that select the size of the line. I'm selecting 1 pt, and if you want to change the color from black to someone else and select it, I'm going to select it this blue color. And after that you need to go to the borders and click on all borders, and then go to the shading and click no fills. After that, if you want to make a dotted line in this cells where my cursor is placed, you need to go to the again layout and select the dotted line of your choice. I'm selecting this one, and after that select the size. I'm selecting 1.5 pt, and select the color of like red, and then go to the border, and you will see that top border option, bottom border option, left border, right border. So I am selecting bottom border, and here you can see that the dotted line is inserted in this cell. So if you want to make some diagonal dotted line border, so what you have to do is click on that, for example, and go to the border and click on diagonal down border. So you will see that a diagonal drop down line is inserted. So if you want to make some diagonal up dotted line, what you have to do is again click on border and click on diagonal up border. So here you can see that the line is inserted, dotted line is inserted in this cell. So in this way you can easily insert dotted line in table in PowerPoint. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.